established in the northwest places. In the present day in Pakistan, those are cities in their places. Okay, the first cities the archaeologists find out that is Harappa cities, and then enter Mohenjo-daro cities. And the houses and drainage systems and the streets, how they are well planned. The earliest people, their houses, they are stood in both sides in proper manner, and also the streets like they are ran in the long ways and cut at the rectangle shapes. So every street very clean and neatness. It means they give the first preference to the cleanliness and also their health, because where it is the cleanliness, automatically that is health is very well. Okay. So in search of raw materials, the earliest people, they search of raw materials and new crops in the cities. How they knew about the crops, or they wanted to take the object and will make the new one things. So cities in the way, cities always busy, because every person they have involved in their own working or craft working, or it may be in for cultivate the land, or it may be in the business persons also live there, and in the other way herders, they bring their animals to the market, and craft persons also bring their produce whatever it is. So in the way, cities always busy, and some special buildings constructions by the rulers in the cities, because when the cities developed economically, that is help to the rulers, they construct very special buildings for the special persons living in the city areas, and they sent the people, the rulers, where did the rule in the city areas rulers, those persons, they sent people to get the metals and precious stones, and also the gold and the silver or beautiful beads, whatever things they want to get from other distant lands. So they sent the peoples. It means they sent their servant to other distant areas where they available the precious stones or gold, silver or metals, other metals, and or beads. So people's new writings also. When the peoples lived in city areas, they knew about they would create their own writings. In particular, in systematic language, they knew the writing. That time they made the varieties of seals. Those seals, they specially in the rectangle shapes, and those are made by the stones. And traveling distance to the lands. So the business persons, they traveling distance lands for so many reasons, for purchasing the raw materials, whatever it is, gold, silver and copper and other precious stones. And then craft things, they made them craft things, those by the raw materials, when they bring those things to their lands, to their cities. Afterward, they make a new materials from those metals. They maybe they made the craft tools or their tools, weapons. These are made by the copper, bronze, and some ornaments also, new ornaments, wearing ornaments. Those are made by the gold, silver, and vessels also made by the copper or bronze. So in this way the earliest people used the raw materials and they made new things from that one metals used there. Okay. Seals, how they are seals? Rectangle, and they have animal curve pictures on the seals. In your textbook is there, the pictures given there. How they are earliest peoples, the Harappan peoples used the seals and they have symbols on the seals. And pots also they made beautiful black designs. Their pots use the design draw on the pot. And the cotton, they knew about the cotton cultivate. In this civilization, they also knew about the cotton, that is cultivate at the Mehergarh, the particular place. They first time cultivate the cotton crops in the Mehergarh places. It is about 7,000 years ago it did happen. And this they knew about the cloth attached to the lid of the silver and vase and some copper objects they decorated to the special cloths, to the rulers or the special rich persons they wear those types of clothes. And common people they used the cotton clothes. And terracotta and fines also use toys. These are the types of toys. Terracotta toys or fines. Fines means that is the type of object made by the gum with they take sand. Both are mixed. That is like it may be powder or it may be the like gum. So that is like blue color and it is used to the give the shining to those objects. Whatever it is, pots or toys or clothes, it is blue color, sea blue color and with the shiny object. Fines. That is it is used due to the shade to the objects. And many things made by the specialist. So many crafts, all those many crafts made by the specialist or expert persons, because in the city areas not all are the craft persons. They don't have, for example, even one student they have interesting in the drawing, the other students they interesting in the singing. So like that, not all of the specialists are not craft persons in the city areas. Only specialists made by these materials. Okay, cutting stones and polishing beads, curving seals made by the expert craft persons, because they separated in the separate categories. Cutting the stones, some persons are specialists there, and polishing the beads are some specialists are there, and curving the seals some specialists who literate persons are there, worked in that areas. The men and also women involved in the craft working, they wanted to from the working in their own homes or they maybe workshops, whatever it is they are choosing, and in the search of raw materials. In the search of raw materials, some men they searching the raw materials productions, whatever it is, milk or ghee or curd, what those things, meat, they bring that one to the city areas, supply to the craft persons or business persons or rich persons who those are lived in the city areas. The other persons, village persons, supply to those things. And the copper got from the some craft persons. They got the raw materials from, especially in the ancient time, they got from some areas. Those are like the copper. The copper got from the Rajasthan and Oman in West Asia, that one. The tin and bronze. Tin and bronze, it is get from the Afghanistan and Iran places. So you can think about, oh, this is the transport started from the earliest days until today's, it is continuing. It is the help to the craft persons. They made new things, new ornaments from those things. And gold get from the Karnataka today's in the India's, it is famous for raw materials get from the Karnataka, some places, Hattis and then Kolar. And so then precious stones. Precious stones get from the Gujarat places. In the Gujarat places they get precious stones. So all these things, how the earliest people, they knew about the writing and also they making the new craft things like tools, weapons, ornaments and pots and also clothes. Some they wanted to need them in their life or their societies. They need them and they knew about the things. They involve men and women also involved in the craft working. So these are the points about the new craft, how it is developed in the city areas, and also how they searching for food in the city areas. Persons, it means how they get from the farmers, herders, the produce selling in the city areas. So food for the people in the cities. Many people lived in the villages who provided food to the people living in the cities. So they reared animals and grew a variety of crops. We know those are varieties of crops. They grew wheat, barley, pulse, pears, rice, sesame, linseed and mustards. And also they knew the tools, how we can use when they cultivated the soil. They call them, you can see the pictures, fluff. Fluff means it today in many farming communities, but the earliest people, the Harappan peoples, they can use it is for cultivate the land. It means like instrument. Okay. It is help to dig the land and sow the plantation seeds. In the way they use so many other tools and they rearing the some animals, cattle, sheep, goat, buffalo, and they storage water. When they not receive heavy rainfall, that timing they use irrigation method and use the storage water supply to the fields in that timing. So the closer look of Harappan towns in both places, Gujarat states, in both places Dholavira and Lothal. These are the same timing developed as well as Harappan and Mohenjo-daro cities. Like the Dalovera cities developed in the run of Kutch places on the Khadar Bight or Bhat located that places. And Dhaulagiri was divided in 3 parts. Each part has surrounded with the massive stone walls. And through the gateway and large open area it has. And Harappan scripts also carved out of the white stone. And they used wood also. Wood, Harappan writing, they have been found on the small objects such as seals. They made use the stones and wood also. And Lothal also, it is beside the tributary of Sabarmati river in Gujarat. It is the place of Gulf of Khambat. It is situated materials available, semi-precious stones easily available in these places, and stone, shell, metal. It is used for making the objects in these places. And they also store houses in the cities and ceilings. They found the storehouses and buildings also, probably a workshops making beads, precious stones beads, or tools for beads making, everything, some new works find out here. And seals, they stamped bag or packet containing goods. The seals and sealings they used to the, for when they export the goods, their goods, they used these type of seals and sealings. Okay, then how it at the last, the mystery of the end, how this civilization collapsed or that is destroyed from that places. They wondering because they don't know any archaeologist or any historians exact or definite reason. We don't know about how these are civilization get the end from those years. It means around the 3900 years there were happened so many changes, major changes in the nature. It may be the city areas fill the garbage, or drainage system broke down, or they may be they will come flood, or it may be rivers dried up. We don't know the some sources available those places though. So the people they searching for new city areas. In these areas cities destroyed or collapsed in that places. So we will learn about the new cities emerged about 1400 years. It take long timing. After 1400 years later, some new cities again emerged or again developed. We will learn about those cities which are there in chapter 5th, and then 8th chapter we will know about those which are the cities arose in first time again, once again. Okay, this is the end of this chapter.